Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix the X Twitter age restriction problem. First, unlock your phone and open the X Twitter app. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left side of the screen. A menu with different account options will appear. This is where your account and privacy settings are managed. From the menu, tap on the profile option. After your profile opens, look for the Edit Profile button near the top of the screen. This section allows you to update your account information. Now tap on Edit Profile. Here you can manage profile details like your name, bio, and birthday information. Incorrect birth date settings can sometimes cause age restriction issues. Next, find the birth date or birthday option and open it. Make sure your date of birth is entered correctly and matches your real age. Some features on X Twitter may stay restricted if the account age appears under 18. After updating your birthday information, tap on Save to apply the changes. Then close the app completely and reopen it again. Many times, the restriction issue gets fixed after refreshing the account settings. If the issue still continues, open the App Store or Play Store and check for updates. Older app versions can sometimes cause bugs or account restriction problems. So keeping the X Twitter app updated is very important. And that's how you can fix the X Twitter age restriction problem step by step. Updating your birthday settings and keeping the app updated usually solves most restriction issues easily. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.